Hi guys! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day. Whatever time zone you have, magandang araw. Ayan. It's been quite some time ulit na nakapag-vlog-vlogan ako, and tonight, since gabi dito, ayan, I was inspired dun sa ginawa ng mother ko kanina na sikat na side dish natin mga Pinoy. So, kaya nyo bang hulaan yun? Ito yung side dish na hindi mawawala kapag meron tayong crispy pata, fried pork chop, or pork barbecue, or lechon, or whatever fried or grilled na something salty meat that we have. Hindi mawawala yung side dish na yun. Yan, tama. So, gagawin natin ngayon, or papataw sa inyo ngayon, how to make Atchara or Atchara. Ayan. So, madali lang siya. And actually, you will learn it through this video. Sipin nyo, alam mo na kung paano gumawa ng Atchara kesa bumili ka. Diba? Ang mura-mura lang ng mga ingredients. Tsaka actually, pwede mo lang hingin sa kapitbahay if you're living in a province. Okay? So, paano ba gumawa ng Atchara? Yun yung papakita ko ngayon. Pero before we actually go to that part of the video, the sequence on how it is actually done, let me share with you some facts about Atchara. So, ano ba yung Atchara? So, Atchara, for those who doesn't know, is a pickled, grated, unripe papaya or any vegetable or fruit you have. So, galing daw to sa India. Okay? Based on the Indian Atchar or Akar. I don't know how it's actually pronounced. Pero, nakarating siya sa Pilipinas through the Akar, ACAR, of Indonesia, Malaysia, and Brunei. So, kasi diba, nung mga panahon ng mga galleon trade, etc., through history, ang daming mga spices na, or food na nakarating sa atin. So, isa yang Atchara sa mga food na nakarating sa atin. Ngayon, actually, yung Atchara, hindi lang siya Atcharang papaya talaga. There are other variations ng Atchara. Meron tayong Atchara na labong. Yan. So, do you know what labong is? So, it's coming from bamboo shoots or kawayan. Okay? And then, we have Atcharang ubod, galing sa mga coconut or niyog or palm trees. Or, I'm not sure if yung sa saging ginagamit, pero I don't know. And then, meron din tayong Atcharang sayote. Ayan. Sa mga nagtitinola, alam nyo yan. Dito sa Batangas, ayan, ang tinola ay papaya, hindi sayote. So, if walang papaya, sayote yung ginagamit. So, ganun din sa Atchara. If you don't have papaya, an alternative is to use sayote. So, meron tayong Atcharang maasim. So, ito naman, same ingredients, pero hindi lang siya nalagyan ng asukal. So, yun lang yung difference na. There's no added sugar. So, yun yung mga variations ng Atchara. Now that you know kung ano yung Atchara, I guess we can proceed with the actual preparation sa paggawa ng Atchara. Of course, to prepare, kailangan mo ng ingredients. Ano ba yung mga ingredients or mga rekado? Okay, para makagawa ka ng masarap na Atchara. So, una, syempre, hindi mawawala doon yung gagamitin mo yung main ingredient, papaya. So, for this video that I did, ginamit ko is a medium-sized papaya. Okay? Small, medium, big. Okay? So, medium-sized papaya lang ginamit namin. And for that medium-sized papaya, ang ginamit lang namin ay 3 cloves of garlic. So, meron kang ganitong garlic, diba? So, pulit ka lang 1, 2, 3. Yun na yung cloves. 3 cloves ng garlic. So, I used also a bulb of onion. Ayan. So, kung meron kayong malaking onion, hatiin nyo lang yon kasi konti lang yung kailangan mo naman. Preferably red onion para may konting anghang. And then, aside from papaya and onion, and garlic, Kailangan natin ng bell pepper. Yeah. So, 1 bell pepper is enough. Small bell pepper. Okay lang yan. Then, we need carrots to color and for crunch din. So, yung carrots, half lang yung actually kailangan mo. Pero if gusto mo pa yung mga garnish, remember, ng mga TLE subject natin, yung may mga cooking subject natin before. Yung mga flower na carrots, yung paggawa na Atchara. So, kung gusto nyo may mga ganon-ganon pa, then use 1 whole carrot. And then, of course, salt and pepper to taste. Ayan, pinch lang. And then, add lang kayo kung gusto nyong mas strong yung taste. And then, of course, kailangan natin ng sugar para medyo matamis. Matanggayin nyo kasi kaya matamis yung tawag. So, a tablespoon is enough. Pero yun nga, kung mas prefer nyo mas matamis siya. And then, you add according to your taste. And of course, hindi mawawala yung vinegar. Okay, suka. Kahit anong suka. Cane vinegar or cane vinegar medyo matamis eh. Yung normal na suka. Ayan, medyo gamitin yan. Kasi pakukuluan mo muna yon para masarap. But anyway, you'll learn that in the procedure. Ayan, sa mismong sequence ng processes. We have an instructional video for that. So you can refer to that. So yun lang yung mga ingredients natin. Recap tayo sa ingredients ha. We need medium-sized papaya. We need 3 cloves of garlic. We need onion. We need bell pepper. We need salt and pepper to taste. We need sugar. Of course, hindi mawawala yung garlic. Di ba? And hindi mawawala yung ginger. Yan. Tama. So, yung ginger, di ba? Yung tawag natin sa ginger hand. So, kailangan nyo lang finger. So, like 3 fingers ng ginger is enough. So, usually julienne ginger yung kailangan. Ibig sabihin, you chop it into long strips. Pero yung ginawa ko dito sa video ko, we have that julienne ginger yung chop in strips. Pero, nagawa din ako ng grated na ginger para mas malasa kasi kapag ganon, pag ginrate mo katulad nung papaya. So, anyway, since we already have our ingredients, gather all those ingredients, and kapag na-prepare nyo na, you can already watch this video.